Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing OxyEnergy Silymarin Milk Thistle 300 milligrams, a dietary supplement that claims to support liver health, detoxification, and overall antioxidant protection. This product combines milk thistle extract with vitamin C, Inositol, and Pueraria, which are said to help with liver repair and protect your body from harmful free radicals. Each capsule provides 300 milligrams of milk thistle extract, which contains silymarin, a flavonoid traditionally used to support liver function. The supplement also includes additional ingredients like inositol and pueraria, which are said to help reduce liver inflammation, improve fat metabolism, and assist in detoxification. On top of that, vitamin C and other antioxidants are included to help the body fight oxidative stress caused by pollution, sun exposure, or lifestyle factors. OxyEnergy emphasizes quality and safety. Their capsules are gluten-free, dairy-free, and free of major allergens like wheat, eggs, nuts, or shellfish. They are also manufactured in a GMP-compliant facility, ensuring high standards for production. While it cannot replace medical treatment for liver conditions, many users may find it a convenient supplement for supporting liver function and overall wellness.